Um, so for the test I have battery, I have the charging cable, and I have a watch. It works. Okay. So this is a charge test for this cable. I will do this thing. So and watch is not charging, and there is no current here. If I change, I'll see that something. Oops, it's hard to do. So this way it works with magnets, but it doesn't work. But in this way, if I connect and push, you will see that I have 0.28 amps current and it's charging right now. So but it doesn't work with magnets. It works only in the opposite way, but isn't charging.